In this video, we're computing the limit of the sequence natural log n all squared divided by n. So what we mean by the limit of the sequence is the large N limit of this expression. So we want the limit as n goes to infinity of natural log n all squared divided by n. Now the natural log function diverges to infinity as n goes to infinity. So that numerator is infinite, the denominator is infinite, and this is an infinity over infinity indeterminate form. That means we can use L'Hopital's rule. So we can differentiate the numerator and differentiate the denominator, and it will give us the same limit. In that numerator, we actually have to use the chain rule because this is a function of a function. So we start by differentiating with respect to the interior function. That gives us 2 natural log of n. And then we have to multiply by the derivative of the natural log of n, which is 1 over n. In the denominator, the derivative of n with respect to n is just 1. Now we're going to rewrite this guy to clean it up a little bit. So that's 2 natural log of n divided by n. And again, we're looking at an indeterminate form because the natural log function goes to infinity and n itself goes to infinity. So we're going to differentiate one more time. So we differentiate the numerator and we get 2 times 1 over n, and differentiate the denominator and we get a 1. All right, we clean this up to write it as 2 over n. So we're taking the limit as n goes to infinity of 2 over n, which unambiguously goes to 0. And the limit of our sequence is 0. Now, one interesting point about this is that it really reiterates how slowly the natural log function grows. So even though the natural log function has no upper bound as n goes to infinity, it grows so slowly that even if we square it, this n in the denominator is still going to dominate that rational expression and drive the terms to 0 in the large N limit. If you enjoyed this video or at least found it useful, check out another one by clicking one of the links on the left, or click the Zach's Lab logo on the right to explore dozens of physics and math playlists. As always, you can leave your questions, comments, and requests in the comments section below, and I'll get back to you within 24 hours. Thanks for watching Zach's Lab, and best of luck on your math and physics journey.